So here this is arithmetic mean. So that means here I have simplified this part. It will be a to the power n into a plus b to the power n into b divided by a to the power n plus b to the power n. Then cross multiply. A plus b into a to the power n plus b to the power n is equal to 2 into this part. So multiplied inside a into a to the power n, and here binomial into binomial multiplication. So this you will get. Now in that case, this term and this term is same. So I have transferred this term and this term on RHS. So 2 minus 1 will remain 1. So A in this part is there. So this remain as it is. This term will remain as it is. Now these two terms when transferred after subtraction, you will get A into a to the power n, B into b to the power n. And then bringing an together and bn together. So that is we can take a to the power n and b to the power n common. So here a to the power n take common, b minus a, and here b to the power n is common, then it is b minus a. So b minus a and b minus a cancel. So we got a to the power n is equal to b to the power n. That means a to the power n, b to the power n division is equal to 1. If we do subtraction, then it is 0. But we are not supposed to do subtraction because we cannot use any exponent laws in terms of addition and subtraction. So we have taken this term as division here. So due to division, this answer will be 1. And now this is a by b whole to the power is equal to 1. And we know that is any number to the power 0 is 1. So therefore the same base we have written in this form. So therefore n is equal to 0.
And do we copy this?
If you want, yes.
Where is this question?
This is a one solved question of AP.
Okay.
Ma'am, will this come for the exam?
No.
Okay, ma'am. And ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, like if you don't mind, can I ask one more question?
Yeah, fine. No problem. I'm sitting for that purpose only.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, so like it is like if the numbers A, B, C, D, E form an AP, find the value of A minus 4B plus 6C minus 4D plus C.
Oh, 1 second, 1 second. Let me write. One second. Let me complete everyone. Write this one. Kushi, after removing brackets, start simplifying. The like terms, subtract the like terms. So here it was a into a to the power n and b into the b to the power n are present on this side also. So we have subtracted. We brought those terms on RHS and subtracted. 2 into a to the power n minus a into a to the power n will become a into a to the power n. 2 minus 1 is 1. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
No, Khushi has doubt.
Ma'am, can you scroll down?
Yes.
Sure.
Yeah, now done. Have you finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Yashubhag, next question. What is the question?
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
A,
so
B, C, D, E are in AP. Okay. Then after
then
that,
find the value of a minus 4d plus 6c minus
A minus 4D plus
uh, 6c.
6, 6E,
Ma'am, 6c.
6C. Okay.
Uh, minus 4d plus e. And
Is
ma'am,
it
it's a minus 4b.
A minus 4B plus 6C minus 4D plus E?
Yes, ma'am.
You have to calculate these values. B minus A is equal to C minus B. That is equal to D minus C. That is equal to E minus D. Then when you simplify this, C plus A is equal to 2B. And here it is C plus E is equal to 2D. So if it is 4B, then it is 2C plus 2A. And here it is 4D value is 2C plus 2E. Here it is A minus 4B. 4B is minus 2C minus 2A. 6C minus 4D, that is minus 2C minus 2E plus E. A minus 2A is minus A, minus 2C plus 6C, that is equal to plus 4C plus 4 minus 2 is plus 2C minus E. Now A, E and C relation we need. A, C and E are also, there is an equal difference between them. So we can write A plus E by 2 is equal to C. So A plus E is equal to 2C. So minus C is equal to A plus E minus E, 0. Got it? Have you got it?
Ma'am, I didn't understand one part. Like, how did you get 2c is equal to 4b, ma'am?
2C is equal to 4B. I didn't get anywhere.
Ma'am, like,
2C plus 2A is written here, multiplied. This term is multiplied with 2. 2C plus 2A is equal to 4B.
oh,
And this value I have replaced in the question asked. Same thing here. So in place of 4B and 4D, these values have been substituted. Then the relation we got in terms of A, C and E. Now C and A and E are at equal place. So the difference will be same. That means A, C, E are also in AP. So therefore A plus E is equal to 2C.
okay, ma'am. Understood, ma'am.
Any other
Thank
doubts
you.
anyone has? Adi Sharma, you have solved. Any doubts you have?
Ma'am, I have doubt.
Yes.
I mean, the 10th means.
This are not solving. No doubts anyone has. So here no doubts, but in exam I'm not getting anything. That's you're getting marks for that. So that means you're not solving. And I'm not getting any homework also from others. What happened now? Again you need a one lecture? Nainika, no homework. I'm not getting any homework from your side. Meghna, same thing. Only every day one or two students are asking doubts. What about others? That means others are not solving anything. Yes? What you are doing now? I'm not getting any homework.
Ma'am,
Yes?
yesterday I forgot to
Yeah,
ask you to
sure. Yeah,
send
yours I
homework.
can understand. Yours is okay. What about others? Others I'm asking.
No, ma'am,
I
no.
couldn't send
Yesterday
you.
also, yeah.
I
Yes.
couldn't send you.
Forgot to
That's my
ask you
problem.
also, ma'am.
Yeah, problem. No problem. I will send you today.
Okay, ma'am.
Yours I can understand. So fine. What about others? Here, Yuvika, you are regular much more. Nowadays, I'm not getting from last 8 days. I've not seen any homework.
Ma'am, I'll send them to you. I will send them.
Yeah. Pranika, Srijita are regular ones. Immediately after 1 hour, I'm getting their homeworks. What about others? Yes, Meghna, what's going on? Nainika, Shreya, what's going on? I told you every
Mom, I'll
day
send it
you have
after.
to send me. So how will I get to know that you have solved or not solved? And you people
Mom,
are not asking me this one any doubts. That means you are not solving. It's completely clear. That's you are not solving at all, and that is reflecting in your this one also tests also. Share this one, Janvi, Gurlin. I completely left out. One day also you have not sent me. What need to be done now? Tell me. Every day before class starts, I need homework. If you have not sent me homework, I will not allow you for the classes. And I'm not giving you that much homework that is get this way. It is much more. When the exams are there, tests are there, I'm not giving you. That is also I'm following. And you why you people are not able to follow. Quality equation and AP. Till now, whatever it is done, till Monday, I need everyone's homework. Then only the people will be allowed in the from Monday onward classes. Otherwise, I will not allow those people. Quadratic equation also I could not get it. So by Monday, I'm giving you the last warning. If Monday I get the homework, you will be allowed in the classes. Otherwise, I will not allow those people class. You are not supposed to take the class. Quadratic equation and the AP till this part. Whatever the homeworks are there, it should be submitted by Monday. That is the last warning I'm giving you. Yes, Shrishita, ask it out.
On the 10th main second part.
How many of there are there AP whose first and fifth term are minus 14 and 2? How many terms are there in the AP whose first term and the fifth term is given, and find the and sum of the term is 40. Okay. First term and fifth term is given. That means it is A is given minus 14. Fifth term is given 2, and sum of the terms, that is Sn, is given 40. Find the terms n you have to calculate. So first from A and A5 is given. From that find out the D value. A5 is equal to A plus 4D. So this is 2 minus 14 plus 4d. So it is 16 by 4 is equal to d. So d is equal to 4. So d you got, a you have, find out Sn. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So Sn is 40. N we don't know. 2a means minus 28 plus n minus 1 into 4. Simplify. This 2 will go this side, 80. N into bracket minus 28 plus 4n minus 4. N into bracket minus 31 minus 4n by 80. Now we have simplified this. 32, sorry, it is. Now it is minus 32n plus minus 4n square is equal to 80. So take all these terms on this side. 4n square plus 32n plus 80 is equal to 0. Divide with 4. N square plus 4 eighths are plus 20 is equal to 0. All are positive. Minus 4n minus 4. This is plus 4n now, sorry.
I'm getting n square
Yeah,
minus 8n
minus
minus
4n square. So it is minus 4n square. So when you change the sign, it will become, this is negative. This will be negative, this will be negative. So this is minus n, this is minus 20. So 10 to 0. So n minus 10, n plus 2 is equal to 0. So n is equal to 10 or minus 2. N cannot be negative. So n is equal to 10. Okay, any other doubt?
No, ma'am.
Fine, so next NCRT. Yes.
Most of the RD examples won't be asked, right?
Why?
No, like I'm asking you.
No, not like that. Nothing is like that.
So anything can be asked, right?
Yes, can be.
Okay.
'How many terms of the AP 9, 17 and 25 must be taken to give a sum of 636? Can you solve, or should I need to solve it? And you have to calculate. Again, you will get the quadratic equation for solving this. So n you have to calculate. A is equal to 9. B is equal to 17 minus 9, that is 8. You have to calculate. Sn is given 636. So find out Sn is equal to n by 2. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That is Sn 636. N by 2. 2a, that is 18 plus n minus 1 into 8. So it is n by 2. 18 plus 8n minus 8. That is 10 plus 8n. So take 2 common, and then that will be cancelled. n by 2 into 2 into 5 plus 4n. This 2 and this 2 get cancelled. 636. So it is 5n plus 4n square is equal to 636. 4n square plus 5n minus 636 is equal to 0. 4 into 636 is the product needed and the difference is 5. 4 into 3 into 2, 1, 2.
53 and
4,
40.
48 and this is 53, 5, right? 4n square plus 53n minus 48n minus 636. Simplify this. You get the 4n square minus 48, that means 6, 12. 12 is the answer. N is 12.
Ma'am, for that n by 2, I took the 2 the other side into 636.
Yeah, that is okay, no problem. And then after that, you can take 2 common. Everything
Okay.
will divisible by 2 at the end. That can be done. No problem.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
if you take 48 common, then it won't be 4n inside. So the second bracket.
Oh, yes. This is I've done wrong. What I'm doing. N into bracket 4n plus 53. Now 48 into 53 is 636. No, is 636 into 4. That means here we have to take common is 12
That's equal
minus
to
12. 4n plus 12 into 53 is 636. This is product of this one.
53. 4 plus 53 and broken.
How it is 53? 12 we have taken common. 636, right? Sorry, this is 4. This is 53, right? So it is 4n plus 53 into n minus 12 is equal to 0. So n is equal to 12. 48 into 53 is the product. It's equal to 4 into 636. And here it is only 636.
Ma'am, for the next one, how do you find the common difference after finding the value of n?
First term is AP is 5. The last term is 45. Sum is 400. So what is the n you got?
Ma'am, I got 16.
16 is n. That means A16 is 45.
Oh, yes, ma'am. Okay.
Then substitute values.
Thanks, ma'am.
For the fifth one is D, 8 by 3.
Fifth one, D value.
Yes, ma'am. 8 by 3.
Yes, right. D is 8 by 3.
Ma'am, even I got 8 by 3.
Okay, good. So in this question, A is equal to 5, AN is equal to 45, SN is equal to 400.
Ma'am,
You have
is
to
N equal
find,
to 16?
yes. So it is Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus An. Sn is 400, n by 2, 5 plus 45. That is 50. So 400 into 2 by 50 is equal to n. 58, so n is equal to 16. And then an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is 45, a is 5, 16 minus 1, 15d. 5 goes that side, 40 is equal to 15d. So 40 by 15, that is 8 by 3 is the d value.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, sixth one N is 38 and sum is 6973.
N is
38
38.
38, okay. And sum is
6973.
6973, right?
Ma'am, your mic is on mute.
Sharon, which question you got 12? Kushi, I will solve your question, doubt at the end. I couldn't see at that time.
Ma'am, the sixth one is N is 38 and 6973 is sum.
Yes, right.
Ma'am, is the seventh one sum 1661?
And I got
1661, right? Rana, what's going on?
Yes, ma'am.
What's going on? Where you have reached?
Mine,
Which question?
ma'am,
Which
seventh one.
seventh one you're solving? You got the sixth one?
Ma'am, no, ma'am, I didn't get it. I'm in the seventh one. I did the fifth one. I'm in the seventh one, ma'am.
Why
I did
sixth
the
one?
seventh.
Why you left? Why you left sixth one?
I know, ma'am. I didn't understand.
Why? So you have to ask. No. Why you kept shut?
Ma'am, no, ma'am. I was just completing the seventh one, so I was about to ask the sixth one.
The first and the last terms. First term is 7. Last term means an is 350. Find the common difference if the common difference is 9. So d is equal to 9. How many terms are there? So that means you have to calculate n value. And the sum you have to calculate. An formula you have, then use the n this one formula. N formula, use it. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is 350. 17 plus n minus 1 in d minus 1 into 9. 17 minus, that is, it is 333 by 9 is equal to n minus 1. 9 3s are 27, 63 7s are plus 1 is n. N is equal to 38. Then find out S 38. Nanika, which question you are doing?
Ma'am, is that the 6973?
Yes, right.
Ma'am, for the eighth question, is the answer 5610?
Eighth answer.
Yes, ma'am.
5610, right?
It's from 561.
Ma'am, seventh one is 1661.
Yes, right. Where are all others? Others are sleeping?
Could you scroll down?
Ninth one I will solve. Or if you can try it. Give a try. I will solve. Yes.
Ma'am, in this, they would all, these all questions would be asked for 2 or 3 marks, right?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Ma'am, is the eighth answer
Eighth answer?
5610?
Yeah, 5610, right.
How do you do the ninth one?
Yeah, I will solve that question. That's important. Now see everyone, the ninth question. Sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 49. That means S7 is equal to 49. And that of 17 terms, that means sum of 17 terms is 289. Find the sum of first n terms, that is Sn you have to calculate. S7 is given, that means Sn formula, Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here n is 7, so that means S7 is equal to 7 by 2 into 2a plus 7 minus 1, that is 6 into d. Take 2 common and this value is 49. 7 into bracket 7 by 2. Keep 2 bracket 2 outside, so it is a plus 3d. This 2 and this 2 get cancelled. This 7 again transferred on other side. 49 by 7 is equal to a plus 3d. 7 7s are. So we will get a plus 3d is equal to 7. Right? Now after that 7 S17 is equal to 17 by 2 into bracket 2a plus 16d. 17 minus 1, it is 16. Take 2 common. This is 289. 17 by 2, 2 into bracket a plus 8d. So this 2 and 2 get cancelled. This 17 transfer on other side. 289 by 17 is equal to a plus 8d. 17 17s are. So a plus 8d is equal to 17. Now subtract both the equations. A plus 8d is equal to 17. A plus 3d is equal to 7. When you subtract, this get cancelled. 5d is equal to 10. So value of d is equal to 2. Now substitute d value in any one of the equation to get the value of a. A plus 3d is equal to 7. A plus 6 is equal to 7. A is equal to 1. If a is 1, d is 2. Now find out Sn. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn they have told, that means in terms of n only you have to substitute, calculate the value. N by 2, 2 into 1 is 2 plus n minus 1 into 2. N by 2, 2 plus 2n minus 2. So this 2 get cancelled. N by 2 into 2n, 2 and 2 get cancelled. Answer is n square. So Sn is equal to n square. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone, is this question clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This is important. Ask for 3 mark.
I didn't understand the bottom part.
Which one?
Ma'am, after that, minus a plus 8 is from the division method after that.
Which division? The subtraction I have done.
Sorry, yes, ma'am, subtraction.
Subtraction is done.
Ma'am, after that, ma'am.
Here value of d I got. Substituted in any one of the equation. The first equation I have substituted the value of d.
Yes, ma'am.
A value got. And then
Yes,
they are
ma'am.
asking us to find out Sn.
And so we need to just substitute the value.
Substitute the values and simplify.
Okay. Thank you.
Ma'am,
Yes?
ma'am, is the 10 point first answer 585?
Yes, right. 525.
Okay, ma'am.
ma'am, can you scroll down?
And for the ninth question, instead of subtracting, can we take a value from one of the equation and substitute in the other?
Yes, you can do that. A substitution method.
Okay, ma'am.
A
Ma'am,
value from this one, you can take it and substitute in the second equation. You will get the value of d. Yes, Sridhar?
ma'am, for the 10th question, is it fine? Ma'am, only 2 of the AP, I mean, in the AP, if we find 2 terms, is it enough or should we find more?
Enough? No issue. If you find out third one, that is better. But it is, if you do it 2 also, it's okay. If you don't have a time, you can do 2, then also it will be working. It will work. You can find out immediately the third one, no, without solving.
Yes, ma'am.
Difference is known, directly add into the second term to get the third term.
Ma'am, can you explain the 10th question?
10th question, substitute the n values to get the AP first. Form the AP first by substituting the n values.
Ma'am, is the second answer of the 10th main minus 465?
Yes, right, minus 465 is there.
And 10th main first one is 525
Yes, right,
and
525.
second one is minus 465.
Minus 465.
Ma'am, 10th main first one is 525, right?
Yeah, 525.
Ma'am, can you explain the 10th one again? I can't understand.
What, Ronak? What's going on? Substitute the value of n. What you will get? Any values of n, that is 1, 2, 3, 4.
So like the previous ones in like that.
Yeah, earlier questions you have done. A and nth term is given. No, this one is nth term.
Yes, ma'am.
So if you substitute a1, that means you will get a value, first one, that is 4 plus 3, 7. When n has 2, then a2. a2 is equal to 11. 4 2 is 8 plus 3, 11. a3 is 3 plus 4 3 is 12, 15. So you will get
So it's,
7, 11, 15 as a AP. And then
so
from
it's,
that, find the sum of 15 terms.
so it's just like that. So then after that, the 15 terms you have to.
Yeah, 15 terms sum. Yes, AP you have to form first, and then this one sum of 15 terms.
Okay, ma'am.
Or even find out the 15th term, then it will be more easier. 63. 3 plus 5 into 4 into 15, that is 60. 60 plus 3, 63. So you can directly use n by 2 into a plus an formula.
Ma'am, will you explain the 11th one?
Yeah. Okay. For 11th, I need to explain concept behind that. A bit for it. Others, have you solved 10th question? I'm
Yes,
not
ma'am.
getting any
We still
response from you
do.
people.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, done.
And for the 11th one, you should again take values of n as 1, 2, 3, 4, right?
I will explain it. That is some concept I need to explain before that. That is important 3-marker question.
Ma'am, the 10th one, first one is it 525?
Yes, it's 525. Meghna, which question you are solving? Janvi, which questions you are solving?
Ma'am, 10th second is minus 465.
Yes, right. Khushi, Lisha, Meghna, Nainika. Which questions you are solving? Samriddhi, Gurlin. I'm not getting which questions you are solving. Whoever done 10th, go to the 12th one. I will come back to that chapter because others has to be finished. Then only I can solve that one.
Is the 10th one, second one, minus 465?
Yes, right. 12, 13, 14, you can solve it. Then I will come back to the 12th question, 11th question. Everyone finish, then please mark yes, so that is I can explain
Huh?
you the 11th one.
Ma'am, how much did I get for 10th in the first main? A and
525.
okay, ma'am.
And 12th one is 4920.
4920, right? Everyone, if you finish 10th, please mark yes there. So that is I will get to know. I will explain you the 12th, 11th question.
Ma'am, is the 12th answer 4920?
Yes, right.
Is the 13th answer 960?
Yes, right.
12th one 4920.
Yeah, 4920.
And 13th one 960.
960, right?
12 is 4920.
12th is 4920, right? Pranika, Nainika, Meghna, Disha. 10th done.
I'm doing the 13th one.
10th done. 10th I need. 10th you finish, then I
Yes,
will come
ma'am.
start the 11th one.
Yes, ma'am.
So I need the markings as yes, I'm seeing. So please mark yes there in the participant side.
Ma'am, is the 14th one
14th one is
620?
625.
625, 14th one, right?
For the 14th one,
Yeah.
we have to find the n and then find the sum, right?
14th one, the sum of the odd numbers from 0 to 50. Yes, you have to find out the n first.
Okay, ma'am.
Odd numbers are there. So write the odd numbers.
Yes, ma'am.
Then first find out the n and then.
We just have to divide it by 2 because that many odd numbers.
Yeah, it is that many odd numbers are there. It says 25. N is 25.
Ma'am, is 14th answer 625?
Yes, right. Okay, fine. So everyone has done, I think so, 10th one, 11th one, I'm solving. So 11th one, before that, you need to know something. So here, this is sum of the AP. That means our AP is A, A2, A3, A4, A5, and so on. So what is S1 means? What do you mean by S1?
Is the
Sum of first term. Yeah, yes, Rana?
it's A on
A only. Yes, right. Sum of first term, that is the sum of one term is that number only. So S1 is A. What is S2 means?
Sum of first two numbers.
First two numbers, that is A plus A2, right? Now what A as we have written, A is the value of S1 plus A2. Is that right? So what we got? S2 is equal to S1 plus A2. Now what is S3 means? What do you mean by
First three
S3?
terms.
First three terms, A plus A2 plus A3. A plus A2 plus A3 is there. So now in that case, what is A plus A2 is?
S2.
S2. plus A3.
A3.
Then S3 is S2 plus S3 is equal to S2 plus A3. What is S4? A plus A2 plus A3 plus A4. This means A plus A2 plus A3 is S3 plus A4. That means S4 is equal to S3 plus A4. That means sum of two terms, when we are adding third term, we are getting the sum of three terms. Sum of three terms, in that A4 when we are adding, we are getting the sum of four terms. Is that right? Is it clear to you?
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
what is the value of A2 from this? A2 is equal to
S1, S2 minus S1.
S2 minus S1. From the sum of two terms, if we subtract the sum of one term, we will get the second term. What about A3?
S3 minus S2.
S3
S3
minus
minus
A3.
S2. That means sum of three terms minus sum of two terms. That means this is a three terms sum we know. Sum of these three we know. If you subtract the sum of these two, what we will get? We'll get the third term. Is it right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then
Yes,
what
ma'am.
about the A4? A4,
S2 minus
sum
S2.
of four
S4.
terms minus sum of three terms. We will get this term.
Yes, ma'am.
So like that, what is A4 now?
S4 minus
S4
S3.
minus S3. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we have been given the value of Sn. So what is Sn is given? Can you tell me? I don't have the value. I need to check that.
4n minus n square.
4n minus n square. This is Sn value. Substitute n is equal to 1. You will get S1. That is 4 into 1 minus 1 square. So this is 4 minus 1, that is 3. So S1 we got as 3. S2, that means n is equal to 2. Then we will get S2. S2 is equal to 4 into 2 minus 2 square. 4 into 2 is 8 minus 2 square is 4, that is 4. So value of S2 is equal to 4. S3, n is equal to 3. S3 is equal to 4 into 3 minus 3 square. So 12 minus 9, that is 3 again. S3 is equal to 3. S4 is equal to, you are not supposed to find out all 4, just I am showing you. 4 into 4 minus 4 square, that is 16 minus 16 is equal to 0. So value of S4, sum of 4 terms, we got it 0. S1 is equal to A1, so value of A1 is equal to 3. What is S2? How to find out
A1 plus
A2?
A2.
Yeah, A1 plus A2 is S2.
1.
So what is A2? A2 is
S2 minus
S2
S1.
minus
S2 minus S1. That is the next term, sum of two terms minus sum of one term. That is 4 minus 3. That is equal to 1. Now what is A3? S3
S3
minus S2. That is 3 minus 4. That is minus 1. What is A4 then? S4 minus
S4
earlier term. 0 minus 3. That is minus 3. So A1, A2, A3, A4 we got. What are those? 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3, and so on. So do we got the AP? Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
first thing is Sn is given. From that you have to first find out S1, S2, S3, S4. And just now I told you the relation between the terms and the sums. So second terms is sum, we can calculate by sum of two terms minus sum of one term. A2 is equal to S2 minus S1. A3 is equal to sum of three terms minus sum of two terms. That means when we get S1, S2, S3 and S4, from that keep subtracting one by one, you will get the terms. That is the terms of AP. So A1 is equal to the S1. So we got A1 is equal to 3. A2 second term how to calculate? That is subtracting the first term's sum minus from second term's sum. That is S2 minus S1. That is 4. S2 is 4. S1 is 3. So we got 4 minus 3. That is 1. How to find out A3? That is sum of 3 terms minus sum of earlier term, that is 2 term sum. So 3, it is S3. What is S2? It is 4. 3 minus 4 is minus 1. And how to find out fourth term? Fourth term is equal to sum of 4 terms minus the earlier sum. That is S of 3, sum of 3 terms. S4 minus S3 is equal to 0 minus 3, that is equal to minus 3.
Ma'am?
Yes.
I got disconnected, so I didn't understand this S2 is equal to A plus A2 part.
Here it is written sum of the terms.
Ma'am, so S is equal to A, is it only for this sum or is it
For
universal?
everyone, no? So what is sum? Sum of AP means what?
Like sum of all these.
Keep adding sum all the terms till that part. S1 means the sum of first term, is first one term only. What is S2?
Understood, ma'am.
S2 means sum of first term and the second term, that is A plus
Understood.
A2. So what is A? A is S1. So S1 plus A2 is S2. So therefore, how to find out A2? Subtract S1, move on LHS. So S2 minus S1
Understood.
is second term.
Understood. Thank you.
Is it clear to you? Everyone,
Yes,
is
ma'am.
this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So what you have to do first, substitute the value of n, find the S1, S2, S3, S4. S1 is A, and for finding the next terms, keep subtracting the earlier terms. So that you will get AP. And now whatever the term they have asked, you can find out. Once you got AP, then everything you can find out. Sum of any terms is asked, you can find out. If a nth term it is asked, that also you can find out.
A nth term will be in terms of n.
N, yes. A nth term, that means n is not known. So in terms of n, you will get the answer.
Okay, ma'am.
A10 is minus 15, AN is 5 minus 2n, and A3 is minus 1.
One by one, tell me. Question, yes. A10 is minus 15, right? AN is
Yeah. 5 minus 2n.
5 minus 2, and right?
A3 is minus 1.
A3 is minus 1. Is that everyone clear this question? Because this is an important question.
This comes for 3 marks, ma'am.
Yeah, 3 marks.
Ma'am, can you scroll up for 1 second? Okay, ma'am, thank you. We can scroll it down now.
Ma'am, this part like the similarly find the third, 10th and the nth terms. The nth term is the same thing, ma'am. The 4 and
Yes,
minus
nth
1.
term AN is, no, that is SN. They're asking nth term.
Okay, so
AN.
they are okay, AN. Okay.
AN you have to calculate, not SN. If completed, you can leave, and you have a time till Monday. You have to finish all the CBSE questions till question number 47. Only CBSE questions.
5.6.
5.6 RD. CBSE questions till 47th.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, if we have
Thank
done
you,
that in
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
What?
Ma'am, if we have done that in NCRT, we have to still do it.
No, only CBSE questions you are doing. There are no NCRT 2 questions, 3 questions are there NCRT. No need to solve those.
Okay, ma'am.
Only CBSE exemplar questions are not there. So you are not doing. Exemplar questions are not there till in this part. So only CBSE questions till 47 question number.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Till Monday you have a time. And tomorrow test of circles.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am,
Okay. Yes?
ma'am,
Thank you,
have you
ma'am.
finished correcting real numbers test?
No, I will give you tomorrow. By tomorrow it
Oh,
might be.
okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
I have a doubt in reproduction chapter.
Yes, one second, one second.